up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that literally nobody teaches in school: how to start investing as a teenager, and more importantly, what you need to do before you even put your first dollar in the stock market. If you're a teen wondering, how do I invest money? Can teenagers invest in stocks, or even just where do I start investing? This video is your roadmap. So grab a snack, get comfy, because we're about to break it down. No complicated finance talk, just real life steps you can actually use. Part 1. First of all, why even start investing as a teenager? Well, here's the truth. Time is your biggest superpower. Imagine this: if you invest just $100 a month starting at 16 years old, by the time you're 50 without doing anything crazy, you could have over $500,000 thanks to compound interest, aka free money for your money. Starting early gives you more years to grow your money, which means you can invest smaller amounts and still build serious wealth over time. The earlier you start, the less pressure you'll feel later. Now, before you even think about buying your first stock, crypto, Bitcoin, whatever's trending, these are 3 non-negotiable steps that I want you to handle first. Step 1. Build an emergency fund. You need cash set aside for unexpected stuff: a broken phone, emergency car repair, sudden expense. Even if it's just $500 or $1,000 tucked away in a savings account, this is your financial airbag. Step 2. Pay off any high interest debt. If you owe money on a credit card or any loan with crazy high interest rate, pause your investment plans and clear that out first. Debt growing at 20% a year will crush your little investing gains growing at 8%. Step 3. You gotta educate yourself first. Don't just throw money at random stocks and crypto. Learn the basics of investing and how it works. You're gonna need to understand the difference between stocks, bonds, index funds, ETFs, knowing the meaning of risk versus reward. Research companies before investing a penny. There are many free resources online, like this channel, that will help you make it simple. Part 3. How to actually start investing. Open a custodial brokerage account. If you're under 18, you'll likely need a parent or a guardian to help you open an account. Popular custodial account platforms include Fidelity, Schwab, Greenlight, and Best. 2. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars. Even 20, 50, or $100 invested consistently is powerful over time. Focus on index funds like the S&P 500, blue chip stocks, or even dividend stocks, things that are historically safer than trendy hype picks. Focus on consistency over hype. Forget trying to get rich quick. Real wealth is built by investing small amounts regularly, like every month or years. Consistency beats trying to make the market every single time. So if you're a teenager thinking about investing, remember: first, protect yourself. Second, learn the game. Third, start small and stay consistent. Trust me, your 30-year-old self will be sending you all kind of thank you love letters and hugs and kisses. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial literacy and investing tips for teens and young adults, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest money goal right now? I'm cheering you on. See you in the next one.